Hello, and welcome. The following set of tutorials will guide you on how to use the EDS desktop client. The EDS client has many functionalities similar to the EDS server software and includes new features unique to the user's interface. After watching these tutorials, you will be familiar with operating your EDS software through the desktop client. In this tutorial, we will focus on the installation and login. First, download the installation kit you have received from Decision Makers. Extract the zip file, and inside you will find several files. Run the registry file and then run the setup file. Afterward, copy the Detector Thing client folder into your C drive. The name of the installed directory must be C Detector Thing Client, with capital D, capital T and capital C as shown in this screenshot. Make a shortcut of the Detector Thing Client.exe to your desktop. Now run the exe file. At the following screen, enter the server address, username, and password you have received from Decision Makers. If you are connecting using a VPN, mark the word yes in the relevant field. Now click on the login button to log in successfully. Thank you. We hope this tutorial was helpful and clear. For more details, please go to our website.